Today I'm going to show you how you can send fax message from Google Pixel 8 Pro. So in the first step, open the Play Store and look for the Fax app. Choose Easy Fax, install it and open. Remember that you have your FreeCredits banner. To show it again, you have to restart the application if you want to send your message for free. Now pass the setup and click on the plus to choose source of your document, like something on the gallery. So pick the photo and click on the allow. Now select it again and choose import. Now you can add as a shape to your document or the picture. I'm not sure why it's lagging, but never mind. If you're ready, click on the arrow icon, and now you can choose a filter for a photo to make it more visible. If you're ready, click on that sub icon, type in a number in this place, choose the country from the list, and to send this message just click on this button. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a like or a comment, and goodbye.